Hi guys, today we're making tapioca pearls from scratch. We're making the black pearls, which gets its color from brown sugar, or in this case I'm using coconut sugar. The recipe uses only 3 ingredients: water, obviously tapioca starch or tapioca flour, and I'm using the coconut sugar for its deep color. We'll start by adding the half cup of sugar and half cup of water in a saucepan over medium heat just until the sugar has completely dissolved and the syrup begins to boil. Turn off the heat and add about 1 cup of the 2 cup of tapioca starch that we'll be using. We'll work that in there so we can get layers of tapioca and brown sugar. And then we'll take that hot sugar mixture and put it in the other cup of tapioca starch. Start working the dough by folding the starch into the wet mixture. If the dough is a little bit too dry, you can add a little bit of water. Make sure to knead really well in between additions so that you don't end up adding too much water. You should have a nice smooth dough ball that's not sticky. Pinch off small pieces and roll them into desired size pearls. Sprinkle a little bit of tapioca starch on them to prevent them from sticking. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Add the pearls into the water and let it boil for about 5-10 minutes until they all float to the top. Turn off the heat, but leave the pot on the heat and cover for another 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, we'll remove the pearls with a slotted spoon. While the pearls are still hot, we'll toss them in another tablespoon or 2 of coconut sugar to create a coating to prevent them from sticking together. Let that cool, and it's best served the same day. That's it, easy peasy, you can do it at home. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. For this recipe and more, visit craftscrumbs.com.